Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I will show you how to set a password and how to set a pin in Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So let's start. First, click on the Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now on the left side, click on this accounts option. Now on the right side, click on this option, sign in options, click on it. And here you can see the ways to sign in. So to set a password, click on this password option. After that, click on add. Now you can add any password. So I will set a password for my laptop. Okay. You can type any hint. Click on next. Click on finish. So this is how you can set a password in Windows 11, or you can also change your password by clicking on this change option. Now I will show you how to set a pin. Just click on this pin option. Click on setup. Now here first you have to enter your system password. Okay. Then click on OK. Now you have to set a pin. That's it. So this is how you can set a pin, or you can also remove your pin or change your pin as well. So this is how you can set a password and set a pin in Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.